Bro, trust me, this 333 formula allows you to manifest anything in your life. I'm about to record a video right now, so... Alright, let me break this down for you. A lot of people out here are working hard, grinding every day, thinking that that will get them to the top. That's wrong. Most of the people are stuck, spinning their wheels, hitting the same wall over and over again. And why is that? Because they're slaves to their subconscious mind without even knowing it. Here's the reality. 95% of what your brain does is automatic. You know, an autopilot flying around on auto. Your conscious mind is just 5%. So most of what you do, most of your decisions, your habits, your successes, your failures, it's all running on a program you're not even aware of. Ever wondered why no matter how hard you push, you keep ending up in the same places? It's not about the effort, it's about intention. Now let's get this clear. You ever drive down the highway and you're trying not to veer in the car next to you, but the more you focus on avoiding it, the closer you get to that car? That's how your subconscious operates. It pulls you towards the things that you set your mind on, whether you're aware of it or not. This force inside of you controlling everything is called intention. And intention is either going to make you or break you. Now listen, come closely. There are two kinds of intention. This is a secret. First, there's the inner intention, the stuff that's consciously decided. Like when you say, I'm going to crush it at the gym, I'm going to build that business, I'm going to make that money. Your brain loves this inner intention. It's logical, it's straight, it's linear. But guess what? Life is not linear. We can go from X to Z, or sometimes X brings you back to A. Nature, the universe, whatever you want to call it, it plays by its own rules. There is no linear straight line in life. Then, number two, there's the outer intention. This is the game changer. It's your subconscious programming. It's running the show while you think you're in control, This is why some people success effortlessly and others don't. It's not because they're smarter or work harder, it's because their subconscious is locked in. They've got the right programming. They don't struggle, they don't force it, they just expect success and the universe delivers, Outer intention isn't about doing, it's about deciding to have it, period. Now, how do you tap into this outer intention? You don't force it, you surrender. You align your inner intention with your outer intention. So stop insisting on how it should happen. Stop clinging to the idea that you need to grind your way there. Sometimes all you gotta do is just let go and let the universe, let God do it for you. Trust me, when you stop fighting, that's when the magic happens. God, the universe, whatever you believe in, it got a bigger plan that you can imagine. When you surrender your will to that, everything falls in place. Let me give you a real life example. A couple of months ago, I was that broke. I didn't have a single income. What happened was I started working as a therapist, being my own boss, working for myself. And I actually started working with clients, but I didn't have clients. I had 3 clients per month and I needed 3 per day in order to be financially free. After I did this really small change in my mindset, I went from 3 clients per month to literally 5 per day. So what I did was exactly what I'm talking in this video about. Before, when I didn't have clients, I used to worry about getting the clients. I used to be kind of obsessed with getting those clients. But it just didn't work out for me. So once I stopped putting so much attention, too much effort, being so obsessed with getting the clients, and I actually let God get me the clients, I went from having, like I said, 3 clients per month to 5 per day, every single day. Literally, I stopped caring that much. I stopped worrying, bro. Listen, you relax on the bus not knowing the driver. You relax on the plane not even knowing the pilot. You relax on the ship without even knowing the captain. So why the don't you relax in life knowing that it is in God's hands? Why don't you stop worrying about getting your clients or getting those views or getting whatever it is that you want? Once you let God take care of these things, you become more successful. Now, I don't mean just lay down, do nothing and expect to be a millionaire. I mean, do the job, but leave the outcome to God. I did everything. I created a social media account. I made it easier for clients to reach me. I put on flyers on every single pole around town. And then I let God do the rest. I did my job and I let the outcome to God. This is the secret to every single business to succeed. When you surrender, when you stop fighting the universe and start flowing with it, you'll triple your income and get anything you want. That's the power of aligning your inner intention and outer intention. You feel stuck. That's because you're not flowing, you're resisting, you're trying to swim upstream the river. You think that you can do it all alone, you're clinging to your own little plans instead of letting God take over. You've got to let go, bro. Literally, flow with the river. It's not about working harder, it's about trusting the process. Trust in the unseen, trust in the unknown. Have faith. That's how you create magic in your life. Now I know that you're thinking, but how do I do this? How do I actually surrender and I align my intentions? Simple. I'm giving you a 30-day challenge here. You want results? You commit to this. Here's your 3-3-3 formula exercise. But before I tell you this formula, really quickly, I want you to know that if you're enjoying this video, you will join my paid program even more. So check the pinned comments below this video. There's a link that will get you to my page. Now, the first actionable step is go to the notes section of your phone or grab a piece of paper, however you like. We're going to set some powerful intentions. Step 2, create a list of 9 intentions. 3 for being, who do you want to become? 3 for doing, what actions do you want to commit to? 3 for having, what specific results do you want to have? Here's an example for being. I am a confident leader, I radiate positive energy, I remain focused. Here's an example for doing. I closed 5 sales this week, I hit the gym 5 times this week, I networked with at least 3 new people this week. Here's an example of having. I make $2,000 this week, I attract a powerful business partner, I travel to my dream destination. Step number 3, visualize each intention for 15 to 30 seconds. See it, feel it, picture yourself at the end of the week owning these results. Step number 4, let it go. Once you visualize it, forget about it. Trust the process and get back into living, get back into your grind. You've set your intentions, the universe, God will handle the rest. Every week repeat this, look at the progress, adjust if needed. The goal is not to achieve all of these things in 1 week. Maybe you can achieve only one of these written things. Take it off, feel proud of yourself, celebrate. But here's the deal, you've got to commit. You can't be half in, half out. And very important thing, write the thing in first person present tense. Like you already have them or you're already doing them. Don't write it, I want to have 5 clients, right? I have 5 clients. Don't write, I want to have 1K of profits this week, right? I have 1K of profits this week, period. So right now, drop a comment and declare, I commit to the 30-day challenge. Write it down, make it real. You want to manifest the life of your dream? This is how you do it, man. Start right now. Don't wait for the right time. There is no such a thing in the right time. Take control of your life today.